To World Classic Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer you this superb 1990 Mercedes 190 Cosworth. So it's a 2.5-16 fitted with the automatic transmission. It's finished in Almudine metallic and it's done 68,000 miles from new with extensive service history, mainly Mercedes. Stunning car, must be one of the best on the market. Drives as good as it looks. The engine's running now, it's ticking over quite nicely. So distinguished from the other 190s by the small wider arches, rear spoiler, and the lower panels are plastic also. The car's got a factory fitted electric sliding tilt sunroof, and it's in superb overall condition and drives as well as it looks. We'll try and have a buzz down the road and add this onto the video shortly. As we're looking around the car, you'll see all the panels are dead straight. Paintwork's very nice. All the glass and trim works superb. Tyres are all in great condition, as are the wheels. So there we are. As we come into the car, before we show you the upholstery, we'll just show you there's no corrosion on this car. And the detail of the pillars and around the rubbers and everything is lovely. Inside the petrol cap, and again, as we look around the doors, no nasty overspray or anything like that. Just lovely detailed. In the boot, warning triangle there. Again, detail of the paintwork and the surrounds and gaps, etc. It's stunning. We've got some overmats in there and the original boot carpet and spare wheel with a rare fuel can in there. Tools, again all original, never been painted in there, no repairs. And finally, just as we show you the last of the shuts, etc., we'll just take you under the bonnet before we show you inside the car. Very nicely detailed, no corrosion. The under bonnet pad has been renewed at some point, I would imagine. Again, just very usable car. Okay, inside, this is a glorious place to be. The upholstery is fabulous. These rear bucket seats with the centre armrest. The trim looks like it's never been sat on. headlining. Door cards are all very nice. Some best upholstery, I'm sure you'll agree, this check cloth. Mats there, so there are over mats in the boot to go in there to protect the carpets. In the front, again, no wear on these seat squabs or bolsters. Seat trims in lovely condition. Slight bit of a bump there. I'm sure it could be tightened if need be, but it doesn't really need it, to be honest. I'll give you a second or two for that to focus in. 4-spoke steering wheel. Again, looking around these pillars, carpets, door cards. There we see the mileage, 68,751. Obviously these models have got the extra instruments there. Automatic transmission, 4 electric windows. No cracks on the dashboard. There's just nothing not to like about this car. If you are interested, please give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website woldsideclassics.co.uk for this video and loads of photos. Thank you. Okay, we'll just take you up the road in this lovely 190E Cosworth Mercedes. It's up to temperature. Performance is good, around 200 brake horsepower through the automatic gearbox. Drives dead straight ahead, steering's dead straight ahead, no vibrations or anything. Brakes sharp, again no judder. All the interior is lovely on the car, there's no damage. The interior looks like it's 2-year-old rather than 32-year-old. Nothing's working on the car. We've got an high quality Kenwood stereo which was fitted from near new. 68,700 miles. Full service history, very highly documented car, superb history file, original service book all stamped up. No creaks or rattles anywhere from the bodywork. It drives absolutely as it should do. It's not a restored car, it's been kept very, very well. There's no corrosion anywhere. Lovely under the bonnet, under the boot. All the door panels and everything are all nice and straight. And as we've said before, the upholstery is just absolutely superb. Car you could use anywhere or you could take to shows. Very usable. Obviously the values of these cars are increasing. Still not as expensive as Sierra Cosworth. In my opinion, a much better made car. So there we go, just one very, very nice, low mileage, very well kept 190E 2.5-16 Cosworth in almondine red metallic. Thanks for looking. If you're interested, give us a call on 01507 606 725 or visit the website for this video along with loads of photos, which is www.woldsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again.